Within Business Central, we've got the ability to add and change dimensions on sales orders. To start, let's take a look at the two source tables that will be filling this sales order, which is firstly the customer. With Additum, we're going to have a look at their dimensions. And here I can see that they've got customer group large, region area 1. And the item that we're going to look at here is the Athens desk. Go related. The item we're going to look at is the Athens desk. And from within the item, we're going to go to related, item, dimensions. Here you can see that we've got two dimension set, which is a department and a product type. Alright, so let's now go into sales orders. Creating a new sales order for Additum. Straight away on the order we can see dimensions, and the dimensions will have carried through from the customer's card. And when we select the lines, we can see here against the line by clicking related information and dimensions. And you'll see here now a combination of two dimensions from the customer and two dimensions from the item itself. Now these can be changed. All of these can be changed at any time. And so I can change this here to production, furniture, we can change to materials. And the same goes within the header. We can change the area and the size. Just like that, that's how. So now I've changed some group dimensions. Do you want to update the lines? Yes. And that's now updated down here on the line, related dimensions. Here we go. Thank you.